The Google Chrome web browser is the most used application on nearly every device that I own. This is because most of the tools I use are online services. I use Google Chrome to access my email, calendar, to-do list, and accounting software, just to name a few. I'm constantly searching on one site or another for the information that I need. And in this tech tip, I share how you can save time and keystrokes by searching all of your most used websites in one place. Typically, if I wanted to perform a search on a website, I would need to navigate to the website, click the search box, type what I'm searching for, and then hit enter. Take Gmail, for example. To search my email, I'll open Gmail, then I'll click the search box, and I will enter some search terms, and then hit enter. But there's a feature in Google Chrome that lets us do this in one step called custom search engines. Let's go back to Google so that we can see the same process using the custom search engine. I type in a keyword, which is GM for Gmail, hit the tab key, enter my search terms, hit enter, done. A considerable savings in time and keystrokes. Custom search engines is a powerful feature of Google Chrome and can be used with virtually any website that uses a search box. To add a custom search engine in Google Chrome, we need to do two things. First, we need to find the search engine URL or web address. And secondly, we need to find where to insert our search string in that search engine web address or URL. So as an example, we're going to set up a custom search engine using Amazon.com. The first thing we need to do is to browse to the website that we'd like to search, and in this case it's Amazon.com. Then we need to locate their search box. Now we're going to put in what is referred to as our search string. Right now, this needs to be something that's easily identifiable. So I would recommend putting several characters of the same type. So here I'm just going to put 4 N's. Then hit enter. And now what we have here is our search engine web address. And you can see here our search string is at the very end, where it's a series of 4 N's. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all of that, and then we're going to right click on it and then go to copy. And then from here, we're going to right click again in the omnibox or in the address bar. And then we're going to come here to edit search engines. To add our custom search engine, we'll then click on the add button. And we'll have 3 fields here. The search engine is basically a description of the search engine that we're adding. So in this case, I'm just going to type Amazon. And then our keyword is going to be the series of letters or the word that we use to launch or to perform this particular search. So I would recommend making it short so that you save those keystrokes. I'm going to make it AMZ for Amazon. And then in the URL field, we're going to paste what we copied from the address bar. The last step is we're going to select our search string, which we had as a series of 4 N's, and we're going to replace that with the %, and S. And that is basically Google's variable, if you will, that stores our search terms. So no matter what our search terms are, it's going to append it to the end of this URL because they're stored in the variable S, and it's represented here as a %, and S. So we're going to go ahead and click add. And now we can test out our new search engine. So I'm going to type AMZ and then hit the tab key, and then I'm going to enter a search for notebook. As you can see, our custom search engine worked, which is a powerful feature which allows us, as we mentioned before, to search any of our favorite websites, be it a news website, our calendar, our email, a CRM, accounting software. The possibilities are virtually limitless. This quick tech tip was provided by TechnoJudo.com. If this information was useful, please help us help more people by clicking the thumbs up icon and hitting the subscription below. You may also send your questions or how-to requests to questions@technojudo.com, and it may be featured during our next tech tip video. Thank you for watching.